Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this. It's a scripture bottle for my children. Sorry, I hope I break that. So these are really cute. They're the little jars with pre-written scriptures. So as you can see here, it comes with all the scriptures here. It's not in KJV, but so that's the thing. Let me show you what it came with. So I like that it came with a cork. It's really nice that it came with a cork cover instead of a typical can cover. And then it has this cute, let me get this out. So you can put this around the bottle. Look at this. You can decorate your bottle with this. As you can see. So you can pick like one color a day depending on you're like feeling happy or thankful. She's really cute. I love you. I love you so much, Abe. So just tape it. So the string is really short, so it's just enough to tie around a bottle neck, jar neck. So it's for you. And you got the scriptures. I love you. Bunchen, and then you put it here. I love you the most too. So it's my toddler. So read me when you're happy, thankful, angry, color-coded Bible verses. It's really nice. Look at the verse here. Proverbs 16:24. Gracious words are like a honeycomb, sweetness to the soul and health to the body. And then I got another one. This is the exact same thing. I just got two because I have two girls and I don't want them to fight over the bottle, but this is really cheap, so I'm gonna put this. It's easy to open, very easy to open. So that is our video for today. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.